Did you know that certain breakfast foods can significantly impact prostate health? Let's discover how your morning meal can make a difference. It's true. What you eat first thing can set the tone for your prostate's well-being all day long. We're not talking about complicated diets here. We're talking about delicious, easy-to-make breakfasts that fuel your body and protect your prostate. Think of your breakfast as a power move for your prostate. We're aiming for foods packed with nutrients that support prostate health. This means embracing whole grains, colorful fruits, healthy fats, and lean protein. These ingredients are your allies in maintaining a healthy prostate. And the best part? They're incredibly versatile. Let's explore some breakfast options that are as delicious as they are good for you. Many men don't realize the profound impact their diet has on prostate health. They focus on screenings and supplements, often overlooking the simplest yet most effective tool, their fork. The truth is, incorporating prostate-friendly foods into your daily routine, starting with breakfast, can make a world of difference. It's about making conscious, informed choices that nourish your body from the inside out. But before we talk about them, click that subscribe button to help us grow on YouTube. Let's talk about specific foods that deserve a spot on your breakfast table. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It sets the tone for your energy levels, metabolism, and overall health. But did you know that the right breakfast choices can also play a significant role in protecting your prostate? Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Oatmeal is not just a warm and comforting way to begin your morning, it's also incredibly nutritious. Oatmeal is a fantastic source of fiber, which is essential for prostate health. Fiber helps to regulate your digestive system and can aid in maintaining a healthy weight, both of which are important for reducing the risk of prostate issues. Berries are bursting with antioxidants that fight off cell damage. Antioxidants are crucial because they neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to the development of cancer. And flax seeds? They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a key factor in many chronic diseases, including prostate cancer, so incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like flax seeds can be highly beneficial. Another great option is a scramble with eggs, spinach, and tomatoes. This combination is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support overall health and specifically target prostate health. Eggs provide protein and choline, a nutrient that supports prostate function. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, while choline plays a role in maintaining the structure of cell membranes and supports brain health. Spinach is a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system and reducing inflammation. While tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced prostate cancer risk. Lycopene is more easily absorbed by the body when tomatoes are cooked, so incorporating cooked tomatoes into your breakfast can be particularly beneficial. Don't forget about whole wheat toast with avocado. This simple yet nutritious option provides a balanced mix of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and fiber. Whole grains are a good source of fiber, which helps to keep your digestive system running smoothly and can aid in weight management. And avocado provides healthy fats along with vitamin E, which may play a role in prostate health. Healthy fats are essential for hormone production and can help to reduce inflammation in the body. These are just a few examples of how you can transform your breakfast into a delicious and effective way to support your prostate. By making mindful choices and incorporating a variety of nutrient-dense foods, you can start your day on the right foot and take proactive steps towards maintaining your prostate health. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about enjoying your meals and making them a part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Now, for a standout recipe that combines taste and health benefits, the ultimate prostate-boosting breakfast bowl. This bowl is a powerhouse of nutrients designed to support your prostate and kickstart your day. It's not just about filling your stomach, it's about nourishing your body with the right ingredients. Let's start with half a cup of cooked quinoa, a complete protein and fiber source. Quinoa is a versatile grain that provides all 9 essential amino acids, making it a perfect base for our breakfast bowl. Next, add a quarter cup of mixed berries, which are antioxidant powerhouses. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in vitamins C and K, fiber, and antioxidants that help combat oxidative stress. Then include a quarter cup of chopped walnuts, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and zinc. Walnuts are known for their heart-healthy fats and their ability to reduce inflammation, which is crucial for prostate health. Add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed for additional omega-3s and fiber. Flax seeds are tiny but mighty, offering a significant amount of lignans, which have antioxidant properties and can help balance hormone levels. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of cinnamon for its anti-inflammatory properties. Cinnamon not only adds a warm, sweet flavor, but also helps reduce inflammation and regulate blood sugar levels. And, if you like a touch of sweetness, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup is optional. Both honey and maple syrup are natural sweeteners that can enhance the flavor without adding refined sugars. Combine the cooked quinoa, berries, walnuts, flaxseed, and cinnamon in a bowl. Mix them well to ensure every bite is packed with flavor and nutrients. Drizzle with honey or maple syrup if desired. This final touch adds a hint of sweetness that perfectly complements the other ingredients. Enjoy this nutrient-packed breakfast bowl for a delicious and prostate-healthy start to your day. Not only will it satisfy your taste buds, but it will also provide essential nutrients to support your overall health. Remember, a healthy diet is a cornerstone of a healthy life, and starting your day with a meal like this sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Each ingredient in this breakfast bowl has been carefully selected for its health benefits. Quinoa, berries, walnuts, flaxseed, and cinnamon all contribute to a balanced diet that supports prostate health. So why not give it a try? Make this ultimate prostate-boosting breakfast bowl a regular part of your morning routine and feel the difference it can make in your health and well-being. Preparing a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be complicated. With simple, wholesome ingredients, you can create a meal that is both delicious and beneficial for your body. This breakfast bowl is not just a meal. It's a step towards a healthier lifestyle. Enjoy every bite, knowing that you're doing something good for your body. Start your day right with the ultimate prostate-boosting breakfast bowl and take a proactive step towards better health. Your body will thank you.
Know you've been a good friend.
Remember, gentlemen, you don't have to overhaul your entire diet overnight. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 prostate-friendly foods into your breakfast routine. Foods like berries, which are rich in antioxidants, or avocados packed with healthy fats, can be a great start. Gradually experiment with different recipes and find what you enjoy most. You might discover a new favorite dish that not only tastes great, but also supports your prostate health. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. Consistency is key, and by setting a regular breakfast routine, you're more likely to maintain these healthy habits. The key takeaway here is that your breakfast choices have a direct impact on your prostate health. Including a variety of fruits, nuts, and whole grains can provide essential nutrients that support prostate function. By making smart choices and enjoying delicious, nutrient-rich foods, you're taking proactive steps towards a healthier and happier you. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about enjoying the process of preparing and savoring your meals. This mindful approach to eating can enhance your overall well-being and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. So next time you're planning your breakfast, think about how you can add a little more color and variety to your plate. Whether it's a handful of fresh berries, a sprinkle of nuts, or a serving of whole grains, these small additions can make a big difference. And don't forget, breakfast can also be a wonderful time to connect with loved ones. Sharing a healthy meal together can strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. So, make your breakfast not just a meal, but a moment to cherish. With these simple yet effective changes, you'll be well on your way to supporting your prostate health and starting your day with energy and positivity. Here's to a healthier, happier you, one breakfast at a time. I encourage you to share these prostate-friendly breakfast ideas with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about the power of nutrition in supporting prostate health. Together, we can make a difference. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to my channel for more health tips and tricks. Remember, knowledge is power, and taking care of your health is the best investment you can make. Okay, prostate health issues are common for men over 40. But what if I told you there's a simple solution? Meet Prostadine, the all-natural dropper packed with 9 powerful ingredients. Each one works in harmony to support your prostate health and maintain a strong urinary system. Imagine sleeping all night like a baby without waking up to pee. What if one simple addition to your routine could keep your prostate healthy and mineral-free for years to come? Prostadine has already helped countless men regain control of their lives. It's the top selling product for prostate. No product gets there if it doesn't work, right? Don't let prostate issues control your life. Click the link below to try Prostadine with free shipping on all orders. Join the 97% who choose the 6-bottle package and start your journey to better health. Say goodbye to prostate worries and hello to a better quality of life. Prostadine is here to help.